So here's just a different view of the needles I used on Liv, and I'm treating tinnitus and her cold, cough, phlegm. So I've used round 12, round 10, 6 and 4, and that's bringing chi home. I've using that to reinforce the pre-head and chi with post-head and chi. So I've reinforced with kidney points on either side of round 6 and 4 to nourish the kidneys more and also nourish liver essence. These are stomach 24 points here and here, and I've used them to move chi up to the head to help with the tinnitus and the ear issues. This point here I'm using as lung 1 to help clear the phlegm and the cough and strengthen the lungs. These points then are being used to work on the ear issues. And then this is AB1, which as you can see I've put to quite a deep level, and that's AB1 on the right can be used to treat liver chi stagnation problems, and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, this is an Ashi point that I used just for the toe problem yesterday. The toe is resolved, there's no pain, so anyway I'm just going to treat it again today because it's easy to just stick another needle in, and that's it. Alright, do you want to add anything?
No, you can't.
Cool. Right. Bye.